Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're facing an issue where your TM5 screen stays completely black, you're not alone. This problem can occur due to a variety of reasons, including a faulty display or internal connection issues. If left unattended, it can lead to further complications, making your beloved kitchen companion unusable. To repair your Thermomix TM5, you will need a set of small Phillips screwdrivers, a flathead screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a replacement screen. First, ensure your device is unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards. Carefully use the flathead screwdriver to pry open the casing at the edges. It's essential to be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic clips that hold the casing together. Once the cover is removed, you'll see the internal components. The likely culprit for the black screen is the display connector, which can sometimes become loose or damaged. Locate the display module and check the connection to the motherboard. If it appears loose, gently press it back into place. If the connector is damaged, you'll need to replace the entire display. To do this, unscrew the small Phillips screws holding the display in place. Take care not to apply too much force, as this could damage the surrounding components. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the display out using the spudger. Disconnect the cable attached to the motherboard by carefully pulling it away from the connector. Now, it's time to replace it with the new display. Connect the cable to the motherboard first, ensuring it's securely attached. Then, place the new display into position and reattach it using the screws you previously removed. Be cautious not to over-tighten the screws, as this can cause damage. Before closing the casing, plug in your Thermomix TM5 to test if the screen lights up. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you confirm the display is functioning properly, carefully place the casing back on, ensuring all clips are securely fastened. To prevent this issue from happening again, make sure to keep your device clean and avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures or moisture. Regular maintenance can also help ensure that all connections remain secure and that your device operates smoothly. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.